Hey guys, I'm Wade, and I'm an IT guy with a grill. Go to www.itguywithagrill.com or go to www.facebook.com/itguywithagrill to see all the exciting things we're doing. Alright, so today I'm going to make blue cheese stuffed mushrooms, and I'm actually going to use two different types of jelly. I'm going to do a red pepper jelly, and I'm going to do a blackberry jelly. And this is yummy, and you're going to see that this is a very easy appetizer to make. Alright, so we've got some white button mushrooms. We're just going to remove the stems, leaving the cap, and that cap's going to make a wonderful place for us to put our cheese. And the cheeses we're going to use today are a combination of blue cheese, and I'm using Gorgonzola blue cheese, as well as some Parmesan cheese. And the Parmesan cheese is going to sprinkle on top. The blue cheese, the Gorgonzola blue cheese, is going to get stuffed into the cap of the mushrooms. Alright, so we've got some white wine and some olive oil, and to be honest, you could just use water. This is going to go down into the base of the dish where we're going to cook the mushrooms, and they'd get a little bit dried out if you didn't have some kind of liquid down there. I chose white wine and the olive oil because they're going to add some flavor into the mushrooms as they're cooking, but also I have other plans for that broth, that stock that's going to be left over. I'm going to wind up making a sort of a risotto dish, and we'll have that on another different episode. But for right now, I needed to have some liquids at the bottom, and so I chose white wine and olive oil. So we're stuffing the mushroom caps with cheese, but I'm going to top that with these two jellies. And you know, cheese and fruit just go so well together. So inside of this stuffed mushroom, I really thought it'd be nice to have two different types of jelly. The red pepper jelly, which is going to add a little bit of kick, not a lot, and the blackberry jelly. Both are going to add distinct different flavors, allowing you to have multiple options very easily in this appetizer dish. So you can see this is a fairly simple set of ingredients: the mushrooms, the cheeses, the white wine, the olive oil, the jellies, your baking dish. First thing we're going to do is pour the olive oil and white wine into the baking dish, sprinkle some Parmesan cheese into it. You can go and add some cracked black pepper. This isn't required, but I like how it adds some additional flavor complexities into the dish. We should have our mushroom caps ready. Go ahead and start taking them and putting some of your blue cheese into there. Now, it's okay if you stuff them really well, or if there's some kind of space there, some cracks. What's going to happen is your jelly will just ooze down in there. In fact, I like how I've got a couple of those with the pieces side by side, because jelly's going to ooze all into that while it's cooking. Just dollop some of the jelly. I did two of the red pepper jelly and two of the blackberry jelly, and you can mix and match that as you would desire. After that, sprinkle your Parmesan cheese, the remaining Parmesan cheese on top. You'll notice I also put the stems in there. We'll use those in a later dish. Put this in the oven on 350 degrees for about 30 minutes, really until it comes out with the Parmesan cheese, well cooked on top, and you kind of see the mushrooms shriveling up a little bit. They should be moist and tender. Make sure to let it cool down before you jump into them. I hope you guys enjoyed this session on the stuffed mushrooms with the Gorgonzola cheese and the jelly. Make sure you go to www.itguywithagrill.com or www.facebook.com/itguywithagrill. Let us know how this went for you. Hopefully you enjoyed it as much as I have.